Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydiaa, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. For the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. We do cooking, vlogs, DIY, fashion, and everything about Mombasa. So please consider subscribing and be part of my family. So guys, today's video, it's all about apartment tour, Airbnbs. So if you're planning to visit Mombasa and you don't know where to live or where to stay, I'll be showing you some apartments. Or if you live in Mombasa and you're looking for a place, maybe for a staycation with some friends or just a long time, this video is for you. So first of all, I'm going to start with Bostani. Bostani is an apartment that we have in Mombasa. It's along Links Road. It's near Naivas supermarket. It's not that far. It's like a 15-minute walking distance if you do walk fast. Yeah, it's a walking distance, like 15 minutes. And if you're using a boda, it's a 2 minutes. Yeah, so it's not that far from a supermarket, and also it's a walking distance to the beach, like 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes walking distance to the beach. So it's a very convenient place where you can find transport easily. Supermarkets are very near. Even the markets that we have in Mombasa, the biggest market that we have in Mombasa, is not that much far with the place. You just outside, you take a mat or a bus which will take you to the market or which will take you to the supermarket. But to the beach, it's just a walking distance. Just have a look of the apartment and tell me what you think about.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. I don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your arms. I'll make sure that you won't ever feel lonely no more. Whatever past we have, the future.
As you guys could see, some rooms have balconies and others don't have balconies. But on their website, most of the rooms have names. So you could just check their website and book. But what I can say, what you will see on the website, it's what you will get. Yeah, and they have very affordable price. At around 2,500 or 3,000, you can get a room. Yeah, and imagine guys, you getting a room and the rooms are not that small. So you can even share with a friend. So imagine having a friend, the two of you just going for a staycation and each pay like 1,500 and another one 1,500, which is very, and if you're coming for a vacation, that is a very, very great deal for a place to stay. And the rooms, you can cook, you have water, you have a fridge, you could see by yourself that it is a very nice place to stay and very convenient and very affordable. And the compound, they also have a place to park your car, so you don't have to suffer. So guys, the next place that we are going to visit is Kongoni, apartment. It's they're kind of friends, or I can say they're kind of partners with Bostani, because if you're looking maybe for a 1-bedroom and you call the Bostani one, they're going to send you to Kongoni. Kongoni, yes. And if maybe you're looking for a single room, they might send you to Bostani. But also Kongoni has bedrooms, like single rooms. Yeah, so at Kongoni, it's located in Mkomani, near BP Plaza, Shell. It's a walking distance. It's like a 3-minute walking distance. It's not so far from also the road. It's near Ratna Square. It's like 10 minutes walking distance to Ratna Square. If you didn't watch my video about places to eat inside Ratna Square, I'm going to leave the link here. Maybe you can check the video out after watching this one. It's also near to Chandarana Food Plus Supermarket and also close to Cinemax. Yeah, it's also close to Cinemax. So these apartments are just like in very convenient places, which maybe you want to go and do your shopping, you want to go maybe and look for a place to eat, you want it, and it's also very near to the market, the biggest market that we have in Mombasa, which is Kongowea. So I'm going to show you guys how does the apartment look like. And guys, this one, I really loved this apartment. It's nice, clean, and the sitting room are very spacious. Yeah, for a 1-bedroom place. And if you're planning to come with friends, just check Kongoni out. Go and have a look, guys.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. I don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me. When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your arms. I'll make sure that you won't ever feel lonely no more. Whatever past we have, the future we will see. I'll be here until the day that you leave me.
So guys, the prices at Kongoni, a 1-bedroom it's 4,000 per night, and a single room it's 3,000 per night. So which is quite affordable and quite nice. So maybe if you're taking a 1-bedroom and you're coming with friends, imagine, and maybe you are like 4 of you and each give maybe 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, and some sleeps maybe in the sitting room. But you don't, I guess they have a limited number. You don't have to come like, hey, mnakuja like 20 people in a 1-bedroom. No, that's one I don't think it will work, but you can just call them. I will leave all the numbers in the description box, and also I will leave the website link in the description box. Maybe if you want to check them out, if you want to book anything, those 2 apartments, I can say they are quite good. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have been looking for a place to stay in Mombasa and you didn't know how to get it because it was quite hard to find. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video and if you should be doing more of this video. Let me know in the comment section. So I guess this is the end of the video. If you have watched this far, okay, thank you so much. Mungu akubariki. Yeah, be blessed. And remember to give me a thumbs up, like the video, and maybe leave me a comment so that I can know that you do watch my videos. So thank you so much for staying with me for this long. Till next time, bye.